learn to cook better, right? A lot of us learn how to cook better, and then we also spend a lot of time watching games and spending good time with family. And now a lot of people already started to go work already, right? So now is the time we have. The last time when during the actual MCO, we got more time to attend more webinars. But now we go to work, we come back, and we also still manage to come and listen the webinar together with us. I really want to thank all of you guys to be able to spend time with us. And for those people who are joining us in Facebook, like our friend Lucas said just now, right? Please go and type GIC. So you also can be the part of the community, right? So you guys can get more updates and learn and grow together with us. Okay, so now let's go to the presentation for the day.
Okay, so let's look at this presentation. Okay, so the company name. Okay, why the company name is actually BizPorter. Okay, so basically BizPorter, we want to transport the company to success. Okay, we want to carry the business to the success. So that's why they call it BizPorter. Okay, and this company actually has these four main pillars of the business. And first one would be the consulting and also helping the leading FMCG companies throughout Malaysia, Singapore, and also Thailand. And this portal also very proud that actually have they help to design, commission, and install one of the tallest warehouse, also the highest output and fastest in Shah Alam. Okay, this place actually can achieve 250 containers within an hour. Okay, that's a huge capacity, and this warehouse is also fully automated, and that is actually the consultancy part of this portal business. Okay, and the second pillar is actually the commerce 4.0. Okay, to enable the retail industry in upcoming demands toward the innovative solution because things are changing, right? And number three will be the BizPorter warehouse management and also the fulfillment system, which are becoming the huge demand in coming years. Okay, so more companies are going automation, and more company want to save more costs and also produce higher results with low maintenance management for the cost. So this will be helping on that part. And number four is actually the last mile delivery solution. Okay, the last mile delivery solution, this portal is actually partnering with the J&T Express, which is a renowned brand as well, right? So with this, right, this portal can provide end-to-end solution to companies from SME to big corporation for the 4.0 industry revolution. Okay, and okay, so here you can see the progress of all the businesses in the market, okay, from traditional e-commerce, multi-channel, and omni-channel. Okay, so those days we can see there is this brick and mortar shop, right? Okay, it has been around, still around, and then later it moved to e-commerce, multi-channel, omni-channel. Okay, so customers actually need and wants will never change since old days. Okay, so basically we always want things cheap, we always want things convenient, you want things fast, and you want it to be a good quality. Okay, I believe you also agree with me, right? So this four things is very, very important for customer needs. Okay, and those old days, our parents also go to the grocery shop, have a good relationship with the shop owner, and can get the bargain because we are friends with them. But actually, this is also not so convenient because we still have to go to many shops to buy different things. Okay, that's during the brick and mortar times. And then later, right? So there was this supermarket and also shopping mall come in where we can go and get everything at one place. Okay, but then we also have the same different problem right now because of COVID-19. Many people don't want to go to the shopping malls as well. Okay, and also brick and mortar always have this higher running cost and also the rental, and they need more staff to manage the business. Okay, and then later we have this e-commerce business. Okay, actually solve the problem as we can just purchase the product with just swiping fingers. Okay, but this is only a cold website lah. Basically, people just have to go to the one by one website to buy things. Okay, and then later we have this multi-channel. Okay, people can go and buy these things from this, can order online and buy the brick and mortar shop. Okay, so and then we also have this different platforms where you can guide people to go to the website through Instagram, okay, through the Facebook and also YouTube, and also the email marketing. Okay, it's more to a variety matching the customer preference. But the problem is what you sell in FB is not updated and also centralized in the system, and also the proper logistic. So seller might oversell things across different channels and cannot supply the good. Okay, so they have it's not integrated system. Okay, so multi-channel also is hard to be scaled when customers demands more from okay. Last time we order B2B, right? We order by pallets, okay, within the tons, and then we have demand for customers to order by cartons. And today we people are buying by pieces. If let's say you got the logistic company where people are ordering by pieces, it's very difficult to manage. So we have these problems that actually this portal trying to solve, and also to manage the cost as well. Okay, and then we have this omni-channel. Okay, omni-channel basically is consolidating everything in one platform. Okay, once even the seller out of stock, all the platform will be updated immediately. Okay, it's actually synergistic and also in a one same system where everything is updated and also can be done simultaneously. Okay, this portal can help to create an ecosystem where we can help the business to lower down the cost and work to move to the future way of doing business. Okay, not like those days style. Now we are going to the future way of doing business. Okay, so these are the few industrial segment that this portal have. So first one is actually this Gear Up. The Gear Up is actually a fitness and apparel brand and also footwear. Okay, Mokoya is actually a plain t-shirt brand, and Danang Golden Bay actually is a hotel with 1,600 rooms, and they're also converting the hotel to even become a retail mall. Okay, something very unique. And Utah is actually this Porter's CSR project, and F&M is actually their main customers throughout Southeast Asia. And ABC is something that we want to talk about today. Okay, so let's look at the platform. Okay, so the big BizPorter is actually a solution to enable business in the implementation, the omni-channel and also the technology. Okay, and okay, so there's a big gap, right, between the supplier, manufacturer, the seller, the market, okay, or the customers, right? So many businesses face the challenges to fill in the gap with the right technology or solution. Okay, for example, let's say they small companies, they want to grow big, right? They might have problem with the logistics, or they might have problem with the marketing, or they might have a problem with fulfilling it, and also the delivering part. So there's a lot of gap that need to be filled, right? So you guys can see there's a few segments, okay, of this business model. And first one will be the B2B, which is business to business, and then B2C, or business to customer, and B2B2C, which is the e-commerce model that combines business to business and also B2C, business to customer, to complete product and also service transaction. And we also have this another segment where they call it O2O, which is online to offline. Okay, so this different business model will have a different objective to solve different needs. On top of that, we also need to have multiple channels to also communicate with the customers. Okay, so now let's talk about this big data. This is the future thing, right? So more and more companies are actually giving more importance on for this big data, which is the customer database. All right. So big data basically they have this consists of this age, okay, the gender, and then the location, and then the preference, and also the spending habits. So today, when you go to Google, when you search for water bottle, you can see water bottle everywhere, right? So if let's say you search for a laptop, you can see laptop everywhere, right? So this is how actually a big data actually being worked. So when you search for something, they know your preference, and then they also can retarget you. So this is how big data works. Okay, so this info actually can help the businesses to design and also target the marketing strategy. Okay, design high demand products, more efficient client service to increase the conversion rate and also improve the customer experience. Okay, so with this, business will not waste the resources, so they don't shoot the sky. Okay, so they know which client want which product. Okay, so when we harvest all this data, right? For example, even if you're selling groceries, if you know who actually always buy Milo, you can always target the Milo promotion to them. Okay, so you know which customers to target and when. Okay, this is why this portal also, right? They are partnering with Alibaba Cloud Computing, okay, to use the big data to analytic to analyze the information and make their customers understand that or the basically the business to understand their customer even more. Okay, and then we also have this real-time customer engagement. Okay, so the new generation actually moved to the mobile technology. Okay, more and more people are buying things using mobile compared to those days. Okay, and we have this game, we are playing game, we are actually working, we are spending money, we are also learning everything are using mobile today. Okay, so today mobile are also getting as a multi-function device, like a computer now. In other words, also it shorten distance between the company and also the consumer, okay, and reduce the cost at the same time. Okay, so today you guys can communicate with companies very easily through the mobile. You can just text message to the company, and also the companies easily reply your messages. Also, they don't have to go and sit in front of the computer to reply customer messages. They can just use your mobile. They, even when they are watching TV, they also can reply you. Okay. So, and then another thing is, I give you some example, right? Even the receipt, the brochure, the promotion, the latest news, the delivery order tracking also can be found using the app. Okay, so basically we are making the management easier and cost effective. At the same time, we are also saving a lot on the paper printing. Okay, we are also saving the world, saving the earth, and also need lesser people as this will be done automatically through the app. And we also know there are like a chatbots and everything, right? Even tracking, we just have to update on the system and customer can actually watch it on their app as well. Okay, and another thing, okay, this is also another method that normally we also look at, especially right now. People scared to go out to see people, and you don't have to worry about doing this queuing. Okay, during MCO, a lot of people feel not more comfortable to stay at home. Okay, so everything can be done with mobile. Okay, so in other way, this COVID-19 actually capitalizing this spending habit. Okay, so people are going into mobile more and more, right? Okay, so and also another thing, yes, the cashless part. Okay, so all companies have their main technology to support our business growth. A cashless transaction is one of the most important, okay, technology that can change the face of the company. Okay, Malaysia also already entering into the cashless society. Okay, since last year, we can see more and more e-wallet are coming up like tools. Okay, like touch and go, even the bank QR and everything. Okay, and also government is also supporting the and also all people also start to use this e-wallet already. Okay, and it actually becoming more and more people are actually using this, and actually government is actually supporting a lot of initiatives for people to go cashless. Okay, and they also government also issued 42 e-money license. Okay, basically we also can see the government actually also supporting more and more people to becoming cashless society and highly encouraging Malaysia business to enter this IR 4.0 as well. Okay, and then okay, this is another thing which is very interesting as well. Right? So the integration of the supply chain. Okay. Okay, so this integration of manufacturing, storage, management, delivery, front desk, customer service, salesperson. So we want to put it all into one chain. Okay, basically we want to manage everything simultaneously. All right, with the sharing information across the related party, make things move more efficiently. Okay, like the supplier knows that you don't have enough stock, and your accounts know how much sales is being done and everything. All the information will be updated simultaneously. And this is actually the BizPorter specialty. Okay, BizPorter can design something similar like an Amazon warehouse, Alibaba warehouse, or TFTZ warehouse, which is fully automated warehouse. Okay, BizPorter also have some partners in China to actually manage this as well. And this portal also already helped many companies to transform from traditional business to IR 4.0. Okay, in Singapore, this portal also has designed a solution for the customer warehouse with no forklift, no human with even 2-degree temperature. Okay, and they use this with the unmanned vehicle, which is AGV. Okay, which is the automated guided vehicle to operate the warehouse. Okay, so this one we really can help to reduce the need of more human to work, and also machine basically they work tirelessly, right? And the best part of this warehouse can pick up even a small item at a small quantity, even by pieces. Okay, if let's say you order one piece of pen, also they can actually go and pick up the one piece of pen and also do the delivery for you. Okay, then this is actually very suitable for this e-commerce company today. Okay, now let's